Jolyan Silvera. Yes, we are talking about the former MP that unalive his wife. His bail application has been postponed. Greetings, greetings, and salutations. Yeah, to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaica. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deeproots TV. Thank you for tuning into the Rastaman channel. Yeah, if you have not subscribed or followed, go ahead and follow the Rastaman, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, may I tell you say criminality is in high and low places in Jamaica. Because here you have a former Jamaican Minister of Parliament. Yeah, a member of Parliament. Yeah, Jolyan Silvera. Yes, and he has applied for bail, but his bail application has been postponed. Ladies and gentlemen, the bail application has been postponed for this former member of Parliament, Jolyan Silvera, who is charged with the unaliving of his wife, Melissa. Now, Melissa is a beautiful, beautiful woman, as you see. I was jealous to see this man having this beautiful melanated woman. Yeah, and you can still say I want Spanish man, Jolyan Silvera. Now, Silvera, who was initially denied bail by the Supreme Court in May of 2023, which he should have not getting any bail, me give thanks for the Supreme Court, was set to make a renewed application at the Court of Appeal on Tuesday. However, hearing was adjourned after his defense team submitted an additional document requiring more time for prosecution to review it. The 52-year-old businessman bail application will now be heard in entirety down in June. In February, High Court Judge Justice Vinette Allen scheduled the trial for January 12, 2026. A trial readiness hearing is also set for September 25, 2025. Silvera was charged with unaliving his wife after the post-mortem report revealed that the presence of bullet fragment in her neck, in her body, contradicting initial claims that she died in her sleep of natural causes. Melissa Silvera was found unalive at the couple Upper St. Andrew home November 10, 2023. Following an investigation, Silvera was charged with the unaliving in January 2024 and has been in custody since, and him shouldn't come out. Imagine the PMP is supposed to vex high parliament member unaliving their beautiful wife, beautiful Melissa Silvera, R.I.P. And this clown went to the funeral and tried to act like he was sorry. Fake crying. The little youth in him hand. I cannot believe it. You forget where you forget Jolyan Silvera. His bail application has been postponed till June. And I'm telling you, this boy forget kappa up come high noon. Why don't we bring back the penalty kick when we put him 6'6"? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deeproots TV reporting. Troubled, embattled former member of Parliament, Jolyan Silvera, has bucked into a wall again because his bail application has been postponed till June. This boy not get nothing, no bail come high noon. Leave your comment on this one if you think that this criminal allegedly should get bail. Ladies and gentlemen, the PNP pan this one fail. Imagine a top member of Parliament unalive his wife and talk about it was natural she met her demise. More life, more joy. Yeah. Throw the book at him. More nappiness. Wanna stay blessed. Riverbed Sea Fort St. Thomas, an AK-47 assault rifle has been recovered by the fine JCF operation team. Greetings in the name of the Most High, Emperor Haile Selassie I the First. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican on the internet. It's Rastafari over here of Deeproots TV. Thank you for tuning in to the Rastaman channel. If it's your first time tuning in, hit that subscribe button, give me a follow, build up the Rastaman panel. Well, somebody lost a tool. A shoe has been taken.
About travel advisory,
This is the story of Stephanie Brinson,